Hey gamers! September 2025 is packed with some incredible Xbox Game Pass titles, and with so many options, it can feel overwhelming deciding what to play next. Today, I'm breaking down 3 standout games you absolutely need to check out this month. A mix of classic RPG nostalgia, magical mayhem, and survival horror intensity. Whether you're a completionist chasing achievements or just looking for a solid gaming session, we've got you covered. First up, Fable 2. Yes, this iconic RPG from 2008 is back on Game Pass, and it still holds up beautifully. You play as Sparrow, an orphan seeking revenge against the villainous Lord Lucian, who killed your sister. Your journey spans a rich world filled with quests, moral choices, and even your trusty dog by your side. The charm of Fable 2 is in its choices. Will you be a hero or a villain? Your decisions shape towns, relationships, and even the ending. And with over 25 to 30 hours of gameplay, there's plenty to explore. Achievements-wise, most are straightforward. There's only one tricky, missable achievement called the Executioner. It requires you to sacrifice 10 people at the Temple of Shadows. If you miss that, you can't earn it later, so keep an eye on it. The TA completion rate sits at just 7%. Showing that even though it's beloved, many players haven't completed everything, making it a great pick for achievement hunters. Fable 2 isn't just nostalgia. It's a reminder of how impactful and quirky RPGs can be. Fans are still debating the infamous Gargoyle achievement online, so if you want to tackle that, be ready for some community collaboration. Next up, Immortals of Aveum. Now, I know this one's divisive. The story is a bit generic, characters can be annoying, and yes, the dialogue has some questionable humor, but the combat? Absolutely fantastic. You play as Jack, a battle mage fighting to save a world teetering on the edge of chaos. Using an arsenal of magical powers, you'll blast through enemies in first-person combat that's both strategic and flashy. Achievements in Aveum are all about collectibles, beating special enemies, and avoiding 9 missable achievements, so guides can be your best friend here. Completion takes about 30 to 35 hours, but the low 2% TA completion rate shows it's still a hidden gem. If you set aside expectations, you might find yourself enjoying Aveum more than you think. And the community seems to agree. Many players who avoided it because of bad reviews ended up having a surprisingly fun time. Finally, we have Resident Evil 2, the remake of the classic PS1 survival horror. If you haven't played it yet, now's the perfect time. Navigate the terrifying streets of Raccoon City, avoiding zombies, lickers, and the unstoppable Mr. X. You can experience the story from 2 perspectives, Leon Kennedy and Claire Redfield, each with unique gameplay twists. And yes, the achievement list can seem intimidating. Hardcore runs, S-ranks, and beating the game without recovery items. But with a good walkthrough, these are challenging but very manageable. With 25-30 hours of gameplay, this is a perfect pick if you're waiting for Resident Evil Requiem next February. The TA completion rate of 5% suggests most players are enjoying the core experience without obsessing over every achievement. Resident Evil 2 combines nostalgia, polished gameplay, and genuine horror moments, making it a must-play for both new and returning fans. So to recap Fable 2, classic RPG charm, choices that shape your world, and a dash of nostalgia. Immortals of Aveum, magical first-person combat with a hidden gem vibe. Resident Evil 2, polished horror experience that still delivers heart-pounding moments. All 3 are on Xbox Game Pass right now, ready for your Xbox Series X vertical bar, S, or PC. Which of these will you play first? Or have you already tackled some of them? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Game Pass highlights every month.